Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily integrate Jira with Airtable. So in the moment when you're going to have both accounts, you want to scroll down below to the description and click on a link. You're going to get here on Make.com, sign up, and Make.com is an amazing company that's going to help us connect various applications and integrations. And what you want to do is when you're going to be here with templates, you want to go on scenarios and go to top right, create new scenario when you're going to create account. Then simply click plus here, and for search you want to write Airtable, and then you can simply choose between the records, get a record or create a record. So let's say when I'm going to create a new record in Airtable, so I will simply go add here, and you have to add an API token. So to find API token, you need to go to top right, account, and then you would find the API token right here. So here, when you're gonna have it, you're gonna simply write the API token, paste it, and voila, here you got it, right? So then you're going to choose the base, then also the table, let's say to do, and you can simply add also the name for as an execution ID, subtask, and you can really play around it. So when you're going to have it, you can go on to the right side and add another module. And here I'm going to add Jira. And then you can have like create new issue, update an issue. What will happen when something will happen in Airtable, then in Jira, what will happen? Let's say create an issue. And you can simply add also account and choose it and integrate it. Now when you're going to have both connected accounts, you can go on the bottom scheduled settings. So you can have it every 15 minutes, every day, day of the week, and then you can run it once or multiple times. And then you're gonna have also the templates here. That's what I wanted to show you. And on the templates, you can go search by apps, and you want to write here Airtable. So when I'm going to click Airtable, I can find plenty of templates that I can use. So this is pretty much how we can easily integrate Jira with Airtable. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.